I'm Steve Dimichowski. I'm the Operations Director for Deer Park Tanger Center in Deer Park, New York. The hand dryers have been here since 2008, the original construction of the building. It's a lot easier than using the paper towels, which create messes in the bathroom, not to mention people flushing down toilet bowls. Hand dryers are a great addition, and not to mention it's more hygienic than paper towels. When we went towards getting our well certification, one of them was getting a HEPA filter for hand dryers.
Given the fact that we have about 80 acres of property, having what the accelerators provide is amazing for us because it's one less thing that we got to worry about, and so that we're able to cater to other things so that our customer perception is always 100%.